Part 2. Welcome to Little Creek Bee Ranch, Northeast Oklahoma. Let's go. August 8th. Is that right? Yep, 7:30 in the morning. We just filmed harvesting pollen, and then a little bit about apiary cleanup, weed management. Oh, this is like mucking the stalls. So here's a few tips. If you get the right matting down, you won't be doing this. So, I hope I help somebody. Now, I took my hedge trimmers and I trimmed out the big stuff that the weed eater would have a problem getting. I want limited weed eater effort. So my suggestion to you, recommendation, the bottom cover should be not garden cloth. It has little pinholes in it. The grass finds its way through. Panda cloth. It's a more like a rubber cloth used in greenhouses. It's white on one side and black on the other. I would put the black side up. And you say, oh, the heat. Well, it doesn't make it conducive for beetles to pupate in. If I put white side up, it'll reflect the heat into the hive, I think. Do what you want. I'm not putting anything on the matting. This has pea gravel on top of garden cloth. And initially you go, oh, look how pretty. Right. Look how pretty now. And that's why I'm teaching you. It's been super hot. Super. We have a heat warning. I'm already sweating to the bone. Plus, you got to move all this garbage out of the way so you can stand in there and work your bees. I still will come in with a weed eater. Oh, look, there's a stall mat here underneath all this garbage. Yep. Stall mat. Like stall mats. Inch thick, 4 foot by 6 foot. I don't know if you can see it over there. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, man. I'll show you. Let's get this garbage raked out of here. Oh, boy. I'm 63. And the little boy inside of me says, yeah, we can keep on going. And the old man inside of me says, you about done, boy. So if you watched just the previous video we filmed, now what do you think? It may look good on camera. It's still raggedy. We'll move all these out and reset onto stall mats. It's not 2 or 3 feet high. It's about airflow. Not so much aesthetic. I do like a clean, tight apiary. Okay, check it out. Now my plan was I was going to set some hives here in early spring. I didn't get them moved quick enough. See if you can just see how thick this is. Ooh, thick. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, I gotta move that out. I could pull it around, move it where I wanted it to go, Thick, Look at that. Tough. That'll last me a long time. Look, you want to be a beekeeper. I've said this. You're going to hear me say this a million times. You're on probation. 5 years. And you think I'm kidding. Get off there, praying mantis. What the heck? Get off there. What are you doing, boy? Praying mantis on the camera. Picking some grass. You pull. What can be pulled? That small ragweed comes up pretty easy. Ooh, that's not good. Bump their lid. Okay, my point. A lot of your bee work will be non-bee work. Say what? Some of this I repeated in the other video. It's all right. Holy, come on, holy. Hang tough. Hang tough. I want to film this. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Uh-huh. You get in there. Watch him. Watch him come and go. Yeah. We'll leave it there. I talk. Non-bee work. Painting boxes, making boxes, assembling frames, installing wax, cleaning a hive stand pad. That's what we're doing here. Now here goes. The old beekeeper's going to get on his box way too early. I have not had enough coffee. Some people like to check their bees like every week, every other day. Open, 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 open. No, that's a very bad habit to be in. You violate the principle of the bee's privacy, and they are very private, very sensitive. No. Typically limit to once a month unless there's some kind of emergency. Non-bee work. Moving stall mats. See, there's a reason I'm telling you this. Because you think, as a new beekeeper, remember you have not passed probation yet, that you need to check your bees. I'm doing bee work. I'll check my bees. And it backfires on you, and then you think, well, I just had some bad bees. No, you had a bad habit. It's not the bees, it's a beekeeper. So you're not yet begun to understand. You need to separate bee work and non-bee work. Serious, I'm serious. Don't listen to me and you're going to have troubles. Bee work and non-bee work. You should have more non-bee work than bee work. It's a thing. You should have more non-bee work than bee work. I'm just walking around pulling out ragweed. Come on, girls. Come on. You should have more non-bee work than bee work. And if you get that flip-flopped around the wrong way, you're in your bees too much, and you're not building boxes and frames and wax, etc. Don't worry, you won't need those boxes and frames because you won't have any bees to put them in. Put the bees in. You should have more non-bee work than bee work. So what you see me do today is non-bee work. See if I can catch them in flight. I don't know if you can see them glow. If I stand opposite the sun's coming up, I can see them, the sunlight, bounce off their wings. And you'll see more bees in the air than you will without the sun on them. It's amazing how that works. I hope you can see it. Lots of activity. Of course, the old beekeeper who'd gone around and awoken the whole apiary, like, what the heck? I know. You should have more non-bee work than bee work. Have you heard that before? It's a thing. Nice morning. But currently, August 8th, 2025, excuse me, we're in a serious high heat advisory, like magenta, that dark purple color. That's not good. I always watch the dew point numbers. We have the ambient temperature and the heat index, what it feels like, and the dew point. The dew point tells me about intensity, how hard it will be. If it's 70 to 73, I'm gonna be sweating to my underwear. If it's 73 to 75, no, I'm not doing any bee stuff. And I've seen it get over 75 up to 79. That's just flat dangerous, man. Ooh. Standing behind the camera and the bees are going, it's time for you to go inside and have a shower and coffee. Fix you some bacon, eggs, and toast. That sounds pretty good. This has been a weird season. I guess it's different every year, but this year particularly so. Oh, excuse me. It's time to go inside. Now the ragweed's after me. All right. That's a quickie. Check us out, littlecreekbeeranch.com, personal advisor program. #1 thing we do, coaching and help. Later.